Hi guys, I'm Asif Ali and watching CGHOW video. Today I created this chaos destruction effect using also Niagara for the dust and some debris. So I will create it from scratch, and if you haven't subscribed my YouTube channel yet, please subscribe it. If you like this video, like, share and comment, and let's start this tutorial. So let's cover the basic of chaos and how to link the Niagara particle with your shatter effect, the chaos. So for that you need a static mesh first. So what I'll do, I'll just search a static mesh in my project. I have lots of, you can use this character or any other character you have. Let me just find a good character. Maybe we can just use this one. Okay. So I'll just drag this into the viewport. Okay, and let it compile, and I'll just go back to my chaos folder. This one. Okay. And what you have to do, just place this in your viewport and then go to the fracture here